It's strong. Okay, so the top part is very flexible. This bottom part, what's good, boss chicks? Welcome back to another one. And so yeah, we're about to get into this box full of good goodies. All right, y'all. First up, I got some refills on some nail tips. These are my 3XL nail tips. Everything will be listed in the description box under my Amazon storefront, so go ahead, be sure you check that out. I also got these. These say that they're 3XL, but there's no way. They're not even the same length as the other ones. Okay, so let's compare. The ones do a little. They're just a little bit off. But I know that everybody's 3XL tips are not the same size. So if you're looking for 3XL tips, be sure that you know which brand. They say that they're the same brand, but there's no way. Or maybe there was some type of confusion. These are the mini nail buffers. This is the name. There is 130 count in here. And this is about how small they are. Next up, I got some of this metallic polish. It comes with 3 of them in here, silver gold and rose gold. Oh, look at that. I have to turn on the extra light so you can be able to see this. This is pretty. I also picked up these Born Pretty chrome nail. These supposed to be metallic as well. This is how it comes. It comes with 4 of them in here, and then it comes with these applicators. They only different by a little bit. Okay, so they're still all the way around. So we're gonna have to give this a go in another video to see how these are going to turn out. And next up, I don't know how to say their name. I don't want to butcher their name, but I have some of their reflective gel, some of their liner gel. Oh, wait, that is so pretty. So you know how the chrome design is going around. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Yeah, I ain't done the chrome design yet, but we're gonna get off into it. I also picked up these things that I don't currently have on hand, so I was just picking up some stuff that I thought that would go good together. Next up, I have these like mermaid flakes. Everything that I'm showing you, I actually purchased it off of Amazon with my own money. This video is not sponsored, but if you do want to sponsor, there is a contact in the description box. It's my email. So if you're looking for collaborations or you want me to review your products, go ahead and check the email. These are cute. I had a design in mind for these. These are so freaking cute. Honey. So I'm going to tell you the reason why I did this. So I'm just going to sit this right here and just keep that in the back of your mind while that sits there. I also picked up this confetti mix. These have butterflies and stuff in there. So one of the things that I was thinking about, of course, was making my own like glitter mix acrylic. These are super cute. If you're just beginning, right, I'm going to tell you firsthand, if you're starting on your nail journey, whether you're doing acrylic or whether you're doing polygel, it does not matter. You can make your own acrylic. I actually have a video on my channel. I will leave it linked in the description box below on how to make your own acrylic and glitter mixes. What caught my eye was the one that have the butterflies in them. This one has hearts and stuff, but the pink one all the way in the back have butterflies in them, and these are so cute. Up next, I bought a mix of flat back pearls because I didn't have any. And we have prom season coming up and just different designs and this different sizes all over this particular one. You have to be careful how you open these. So I'm actually not going to take this out the pack because I don't want to drop these. Next, as I said, this is so cute, right? Whoever put this together, they put this together well because it came with the little pink little tweezers. Then it had some stuff in here that I wanted to get to. So we have these little pieces. There's not that many in there. So we have the hearts, we have the planets and everything. There's butterflies in here. And if you know me, then you know that I absolutely love pink on nails, but my favorite color is actually red. Look at all the different embellishments that you get in here. This is so freaking cute. We're gonna go hard on some nails, sis. Like straight up, I'm thinking Hello Kitty. They have some of those 3D flowers in here as well. There's just all kinds of good goodies in here. I absolutely love it. It is pretty. Getting back to these two, these glitter mixes. Look, sis, when I tell you. And the reason why they're not wrapped up because I had to check these out. Like I had to open this and I had to look at this. It's like I was like, I'm gonna order this. I'm gonna order this and we're gonna trial and error these. Now they're not long, but look, do you see that? Look what we got. We have an opening right here. so we can stick something in here. Now, it's not super wide, but doing liquid nails, it's going to be easier. Do you see that? And then this part back here is closed off. You don't have to worry about that. So when you do your liquid nails and you put these on, you have room. I think these would be super, super cute and all clear. It's strong. Okay, so the top part is very flexible. This bottom part is not that flexible, as you can see, because I kind of tore it up. I bought these flakes and everything, these 2 flakes right here, to stuff into these nails to make some liquid nails. Next up, I had to get me some more gloves, and these were a little bit more affordable. I haven't tried them yet, but I did get pink, and I got them in a size small. The next thing I got was this 2-pack of X-Coat French tip. This is a builder and a top coat. So here's step 1 is the builder. Step 2 is the top coat. Both of these are 15 milliliters. I got that to go along with these X-Coat tips. These are by BTA Art Box as well. These come double packaged, so you can slide out the whole package from the box. I got these. These come in several different patterns. Here is the first pattern, and they just have all these different swirls and stuff on them. These are super, super cute and an easy way for you to do your nails. These are in brown. Aren't these super cute? And it also comes with the French. And you also get like the outline French. And then you can mix and match between all the different styles to choose your custom style. In person, this is actually a little bit lighter than it is showing up on camera. I also picked up these X-Coat tips. These are new. These are the toenail tips. So I picked these up because I have a lot of events to attend in the month of May. And honey, because I'm a content creator, I don't have time to be doing my nails and also trying to do my non-dominant hand. But I want to be able to be cute stepping out to these events. I also picked up these by UNA Gela. I wanted to give these a try, and I wanted to see these in person simply because the BTA Art Box Brown is not really as dark brown as you think that it is. And these were also a lot more affordable. So I wanted to give these a try and see. And you can see through it. Let me see if I can get you guys a close up. And as you can see, you can see the glove in between it. You see the difference between this one and this one. When I put it up to my finger, you can see it. It's actually a little bit lighter in person than it is coming up on the camera. Okay. Like you can bend the back here, and this tip is pretty strong. Along with those tips, I also wanted to try UNA Gela top coat. This is a 5-in-1 top coat. This is half an ounce, so it comes in a 2-pack. This bottle is so pretty. Oh, she thick. I don't know if I would use this as a top coat, but as far as using it as a builder and using it for gluing on the nail tips, I definitely will be using it for that. If you want me to do a video of me comparing like top coats and all of that, as well as I do want to do a comparison video between these UNA Gela tips here and the BTA Art Box Brown French tips just like that. The last thing that I got was this Macart French kit, and it comes with the white polish as well as some like French stickers, and I wanted to give this a try. But these basically are French tip guides, and that's kind of how that looks. I want to see if this would be easier when I do a lot of custom press on nails. I'll leave that in the description box below if you're interested in that. And then it also comes with the white gel polish. That's a really white. That's not an off-white, that's a super white. So that's everything that I got from this Amazon haul. If you have any other questions or anything like that, I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. If you enjoyed today's video, consider subscribing to the channel. Be sure to turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on every time that I upload a new video. And as always, Boss Chicks, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.